Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to lock app in your OnePlus phone. At first, go to your settings app. Now from here, scroll down, then go to privacy. After that, tap on privacy again. And here you can see app lock option. Then just tap here. Now just tap here to enable app lock. Then tap on settings. Now you have to set a privacy password, which you have to use to unlock app. You can set password from here. Also, if you want to use a different password type, then just tap here. You can also select pattern from here, but I select password. Then type a new 6 digits privacy password. Then verify your new password. Then type your name here. Then tap on this icon and it's done. Now app lock is enabled in my phone. Now from here, choose the app that you want to lock. If I select Facebook, now if I open Facebook, and you can see app lock is enabled. Now just type your privacy password to unlock it, and it's done. Now if you go to app lock settings again, then tap on app lock, then type your privacy password, then tap on settings. From here, go to lock app when, then select exiting the app. Now if you tap on other unlock methods, from here if you enable fingerprint and face, then you can unlock your app using fingerprint or face lock. Now if you want to change your privacy password, then just tap on privacy password, then type your current privacy password, and here you can see change password option. Then just tap here, then enter your old privacy password, then type a new privacy password, then type your password again to verify it, and your privacy password has been changed successfully. Now if you go back, you can also disable app lock by tapping here, then just tap here again to enable it. And that is how you can lock apps in your OnePlus phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.